You can download this unique blog post text file from description below and use it on your site. Hashtag title, crafting the perfect blog page, HTML and CSS code unveiled. Hashtag in the digital age, blogging has become more than just a hobby. It's a powerful way to share your thoughts, knowledge, and expertise with the world. However, to stand out in the blogosphere, you need more than just great content. You need a well-designed and SEO-friendly blog page. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of HTML and CSS code for creating a stunning blog page that not only captures your readers' attention but also ranks high in search engine results. Number 1. The foundation of your blog page, HTML structure. Hashtag creating a compelling blog page starts with solid HTML structure. HTML, hypertext markup language, is the backbone of web content, providing the framework for your blog's layout and organization. Hashtag when structuring your blog page, begin with the following elements. Hashtag HTML boilerplate. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title your blog title /title. /head. Body. Dash your blog content goes here dash. /body. /HTML. Hashtag this boilerplate code sets the stage for your blog page. It defines the document type, character encoding, viewport settings, and the title of your blog. Hashtag the body of your blog. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. Main. Article. Header. H1 your blog post title /H1. P published on time date time equals 2023-09-25 September 25, 2023 /time by a href equals hashtag your name /a/p. /header. Section. Dash your blog content goes here dash. /section. /article. /main. Hashtag here, we've structured the main content area using HTML5 semantic elements. The main element encapsulates the entire blog post, while article and section tags help organize the content hierarchically. Number 2. Styling your blog, the magic of CSS. Hashtag while HTML provides the structure, CSS, cascading style sheets, is responsible for the visual aesthetics of your blog page. Let's explore some essential CSS techniques. Hashtag CSS linking. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. Link rel equals style sheet href equals styles.css. Hashtag create an external CSS file, styles.css in this case, to keep your styling separate from the HTML. This not only makes your code cleaner but also allows for easy updates and maintenance. Hashtag selecting elements. Hashtag CSS. Copy code. Body. Font family, Arial, sans serif. Background color, hashtag F5 F5 F5. H1. Color, number 333. A. Text decoration, none. Color, hashtag 0077B6. /* add more CSS rules as needed */. Hashtag in this example, we've applied styles to the body, H1, and A elements. You can customize fonts, colors, margins, and more to match your blog's branding and aesthetics. Hashtag responsive design. Hashtag CSS. Copy code. At media screen and, max width, 768px. Body. Font size, 16px. Hashtag ensure your blog page looks great on various devices by using media queries to adjust styles based on screen size. In this example, the font size is reduced for screens with a maximum width of 768px. Number 3. Enhancing user experience, navigation and interaction. Hashtag user-friendly navigation. A well-designed blog page should be easy to navigate. You can create a navigation menu using an unordered list, UL, and CSS. Hashtag HTML. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. NAV. UL. Leahref equals hashtag home/a/li. Leahref equals hashtag categories/a/li. Leahref equals hashtag about/a/li. Leahref equals hashtag contact/a/li. /ul. /nav. Hashtag CSS. Hashtag CSS. Copy code. NAV ul. List style, none. Margin, 0. Padding, 0. NAV li. Display, inline. Margin right, 20 px. NAVA. Text decoration, none. Color, number 333. Font weight, bold. Hashtag this creates a horizontal navigation menu with styled links for a better user experience. Hashtag interactive elements. Engage your readers with interactive elements, such as buttons and hover effects. For instance, you can create a read more button. Hashtag HTML. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. Ahref equals hashtag class equals read more button read more/a. Hashtag CSS. Hashtag CSS. Copy code. Read more button. Background color, hashtag 0077b6. Color, hashtag FFF. Padding, 10px 20px. Border radius, 5px. Text decoration, none. Transition, background color 0.3 SEs. Read more button hover. Background color, hashtag 005C8A. Hashtag the CSS code styles the read more button and adds a hover effect to make it visually appealing. Number 4. SEO optimization, boosting your blog's visibility. Hashtag SEO, search engine optimization, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your blog. Here are some HTML and CSS techniques to enhance your blog's SEO. Hashtag meta tags. Include meta tags in your HTML to provide search engines with essential information about your blog post. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. Meta name equals description content equals a comprehensive guide to crafting the perfect blog page using HTML and CSS. Learn how to optimize your blog for SEO and user experience. Meta name equals keywords content equals HTML, CSS, blog page, SEO, user experience. Hashtag meta tags should contain a concise description of your content and relevant keywords. Hashtag structured data. Schema markup can improve the way search engines display your blog in search results. Use microdata to define your blog's structure. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. Article item scope item type equals http://schema.org/article. H1 item prop equals headline crafting the perfect blog page, HTML and CSS code unveiled/H1. P item prop equals author item scope item type equals http://schema.org/person published on time date time equals 2023-09-25 September 25, 2023/time by span item prop equals name your name/span/p. Div item prop equals article body. Your blog content goes here /div/article. Hashtag structured data provides search engines with more context about your content. Number 5. Measuring success, using analytics for your blog. Hashtag analytics tools provide invaluable insights into your blog's performance. Consider integrating Google Analytics into your blog page to track user behavior, traffic sources, and more. Hashtag adding Google Analytics. Hashtag sign up for a Google Analytics account. Hashtag obtain your tracking code. Hashtag insert the tracking code just before the closing /head tag in your HTML. Hashtag HTML. Copy code. Script async src equals https://www.googletagmanager.com/tag/js, id equals your_analytics_id/script. Script. Window.datalayer equals window.datalayer. Function tag, datalayer.push, arguments.